What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, that's right guys, it's finally summer. At least for me it is. I actually just finished school, so yeah, technically I'm on summer vacation now. And yeah, with that being said, I have like so much more time actually to basically create mocks and videos. So yeah, keep in mind we're gonna have like a lot of new mocks and videos coming in the future. And yeah, well, more importantly, to celebrate the start of summer, of course, I prepared another like top 5 like garage like accessories and builds video. So yeah, and of course this one is like yard / summer. So yeah, with that being said, let's move on to the first idea. Alright, first up here we have these lawn mowers, and yeah, actually I've made 2 variations. One of them is a push mower, and one of them is a like ride-on mower. And yeah, I guess starting with the push mower, it's a pretty simple design, but I think it like encapsulates the whole idea of like a lawnmower. Like when you think of a lawnmower in your mind, you probably think of something that looks kind of like this. Of course, with your like little engine on the top, you know, your bar. Oh yeah, it's a pretty simple design as you can see. But of course, right next to it here is its big brother, aka the ride-on lawnmower, kind of like the thing you'd see like at like a golf course or any like big field or like with a landscaping crew. And yeah, they basically have these big ones. This one's kind of like a John Deere one, as you can see with the color scheme. Yeah, it does have these little levers right here, as well as these little like caster wheels at the front, which I think look pretty good. Overall, it's not too hard to build. It's pretty simple. And yeah, just a great addition to like any landscaping crew or even just like a garage. Alright, continuing with our yard tools. Well, number 2 on this list is, well, 2 more yard tools. Yeah, the weed whacker, and then right next to it we have your like kind of backpack like style leaf blower. Both like really common tools that you'd find in like basically any like garage or anyone who has like a yard or any landscaping crew. But yeah, these 2 builds do look pretty good in just about any situation. Both of them are actually pretty simple as well. The weed eater is just that simple like orange one that like you see. I'm not really sure what brand it is, but yeah, I see a lot of these like orange ones with like, you know, the white fuel tank. And then you got the backpack leaf blower, which I also see the orange ones, but I didn't have one of those orange plates, so I had to make it red. But yeah, I think this one does look also pretty good, and the handle is adjustable. And yeah, that would basically be the second set of ideas. Alright, next up we've got our little portable generators right here. We've got sort of like a larger one and a smaller one. The smaller one is sort of one of those like based on one of those little Honda like red ones. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but if you do, you probably know what I'm talking about. And then the larger one is just sort of a generic one. I'm not gonna lie, these designs definitely could be upgraded, along with basically anything in this video, of course, could be upgraded or modded. In fact, I actually encourage you to, I guess, try your own designs. So yeah, with those being done, let's move on to the next idea. Alright, so number 4 on this list is this classic like mini lawn tractor. Yeah, you know, one of those just like little utility ones that can, you know, basically do any job. This one also sort of goes along with the lawnmowers actually, as it's fitted with one of those like mowing decks underneath. Yeah, which is cool. And yeah, also these are these mowers that I think people turn into like racing mowers if you want to like turn it into one. I think that would be like a pretty cool idea to do. And yeah, minifigure can fit in it. If you want to, I'd recommend taking off the seat, or else the minifig would sit like kind of too high. But yeah, it still looks good. And basically to go along with this, I've actually also made this little trailer, which is really pretty simple, just built with this little crate. And since this tractor does have a hitch, you can put like pretty much any accessory on it, like, you know, as you can see, this trailer, or like a plow, or like a fertilizer trailer, you know, just about anything. So yeah, with that being done, let's move on to the last idea. Alright, so of course if you're gonna have all these landscaping like supplies and tools that I've showed you in this video, well, I mean, you're gonna need a way to transport it. So basically what I have here is a very simple landscaping trailer. Honestly, this is probably the most like versatile on this list. I mean, you can really build it in any like shapes or sizes, anything. This one is sort of like the perfect size to fit either like just the riding lawnmower or the like little garden tractor. But yeah, it can also fit just like a bunch of those little tools as I showed you, like the weed eater, lawnmower, backpack leaf blower. And also it does look great like when it's being towed behind a truck, like this Chevy Silverado right here, which is actually an updated version of my old one, which I might make a video about in the future, as I've actually updated quite a few of my models. But yeah, that's a bit off topic. Anyways, this little trailer right here, as you can see, it's pretty easy to build. Just a few plates and brackets. And yeah, with that being said, that's basically the last one on this list. Of course, anything you saw here, I definitely recommend. Like, either you can just build them straight from how I showed them, or another thing I'd recommend is, I guess, like modding the designs, making your own designs. You know, just taking any kind of inspiration from this video is like encouraged. And yeah, if you do, I'd love to see your designs. But anyways, with that all being said, thank you guys so much for watching. And also, I know I haven't made like a mock video in a while, or in like 2 weeks. I don't know if that's a while, but yeah. Anyways, I've actually got like a lot of new mocks, like either that are done or that are in the progress. So yeah, I'll be able to make like quite a few videos of those in the future, as I said in the beginning. But yeah, anyways, with that said, thanks for watching once again, and see you in the next one. Bye.